In the last 24 hours, SHIB bounced back over 50%. And if you can relate to this picture, make sure you watch till the end of this video so this doesn't happen again. SHIB Army stands by Shiba Inu despite warnings from analysts to sell. We saw a dip in price for SHIB 2 days ago, and most of us, the SHIB Army, ate that up. You can't keep a good SHIB down, wait to eat those SHIBs, hashtag SHIB Army. And this behavior is definitely noticed by the Ethereum whales. Shiba Inu remains to be an undisputed king among Ethereum whales, so the #1 position held by Ethereum whales is still SHIB. And there is this saying, the calm before the storm. I'm hearing nothing about Robinhood app, not a peep, sources run dry, and it seems they are all scared to talk. It's not just quiet, it's too quiet. I wonder if Robinhood is going to drop something like this just like Coinbase. Its official SHIB is now available to trade, buy, sell, and store on Coinbase for New York residents. And the SHIB Army is rallying to tackle CoinMarketCap over the misinformation from last week. Things are about to ramp up and get juicy. We're going to go through all of this and what the whales are doing, and at the end we're going to have a look at the price action as well. I will show you guys the little trick that made me a lot of money in the past, and certainly with this particular dip situation. Stick around to the end because you don't want to miss this. We'll be giving away $100 to a random subscriber to kickstart their crypto journey. To enter this giveaway, simply like and subscribe and comment your favorite crypto in the comments below. The SHIB Army is starting to pressure media sources to get their information right. So earlier in the week, the circulating supply on CoinMarketCap was updated, and this caused a lot of panic, as all of a sudden the circulating supply of SHIB increased, which led to many people to think that SHIB was actually a scam, when in fact it was a reporting error on CoinMarketCap's end. This has stopped the upward price momentum for SHIB, and then it has taken a dip, and we are now rallying to get CoinMarketCap to fix these errors. Popular media outlets such as Fortune magazine has also made this mistake. However, they have made updates to their article, update November 5th, 2021. This article has been updated throughout with background on burn coins, analyst comments, and price action. So we are beginning to see things corrected. The whole saga across this week can pretty much be summed up by SHIB Planner's tweet. Poor research, poor journalism. This is the exact kind of FUD SHIB Army has to squash dailies to stay out of the red, and we won't stop. And having seen these movements, the Ethereum whales have begun to pick up even more SHIB. Ethereum whale Gimli just bought $6.8 million worth of SHIB. And not long after that, the very next day, in a couple hours time, he picked up another $1.6 million worth of SHIB. And as a whole, SHIB has done $12 billion in volume in the last 24 hours, and it is up 20% today. Now, before we move on, you can support your favorite crypto projects such as SHIB, Ethereum, and more by getting your own physical crypto coin to add to your collection. You can find a link in the description. Now let's have a look at what's happening on the 1 hour time frame today. So from the bottom of the dip, we can see that there was a strong support formed as per our auto support and resistance indicator. From there, we saw a jump in price of roughly 52 to 53%. Now this will be incredibly useful for most of you because when we see a support level or resistance level formed on high amounts of volume, typically it acts as a stronger level of support or resistance. Now in the previous video, I confessed to buying at the dip, and the reason I bought at the dip was because of this special pattern that I saw. So we saw incredible amounts of volume at this particular candle here. We can see that at this particular candle, we saw a fat red candle with incredible amounts of volume that is a lot higher than anything we've seen in the past 24 hours. So relatively, this is a rare case. Now, what happened after was actually what I was paying attention to. Immediately after that, we saw a green candle form, a fat green candle form that was almost equivalent in the volume of the red candle. And that is this particular green candle here. And this is very important, because this is typically a sign of the price bottoming out. And I didn't stop there. Our program, our indicator actually showed a support level, and that really cemented my belief that SHIB has bottomed out on price and is looking to bounce. What we saw immediately after this was the price of SHIB going up, and then we saw a bit of a dip in price and held at the 4,500 mark before we seeing a strong rally up in the 6,000s. Now here is very important. I mentioned previously that this particular range here is going to be very important for SHIB. This is between the 6,000 and 7,500 range, because this is a range I want SHIB to consolidate. And if we can get SHIB to consolidate in this area, this puts SHIB in a very good position for a New York breakout. And the good news is that it looks like we're heading in that direction. Anyway, that's all from me. Follow us on Twitter if you want to see earlier updates with regards to the news that we'll be covering. And let me know in the comments what you guys think my favorite pair of sneakers are. As always, take care and catch you guys next time.